Hello everybody and welcome back to my garden. Today I'm greeting you with my pride and joy. Look at that. I planted them in the middle of winter and I wasn't really sure if they would grow because there wasn't much sunlight or anything. But see that? So cute. I'm so happy. But also there were some damages in the garden. Let me show you. This is the mint I planted last time, and as you can see, it's not in the best condition. It kind of flopped. But the thing is, it had enough sunlight and enough water, but it got very cold suddenly, and there was a hail, so freezing temperatures and hail. Like, I didn't really expect such weather at the end of March. So the mint, it's still alive, and I hope it will survive. But for now, like, the stems are broken and stuff, as you can see. So, like, fingers crossed, it's gonna survive. But like, I'm very sad about it. The other thing is that nothing sprouted whatsoever, and the reason is because the soil got completely frozen, and I didn't think of covering it with something to keep it, warmer and everything. So I really regret it now, but at the same time it's just the beginning of spring, so I still give it a chance. I hope the seeds are not dead. So yeah, we're not giving up and we're moving on. And the plan for today is, as you can see, I have some more raised beds, so I'm gonna put them behind me, and I'm also gonna cut lavender so it could become more, it would regrow in the spring. So yeah. Okay, so I gave the lavender a little bit of a haircut, and I didn't cut it as much as I wanted to, or as much as it needs to be cut, because there were some quite chunky spiders, and I'm not really a fan of spiders. So this is how it is for now, but I think it's gonna grow well. And now we're moving on to the raised beds, and one is gonna be placed right here, and the other is gonna be placed here. And I need to plant something here that doesn't require much sunlight, because there is a tree right there, so there's gonna be quite a lot of shadow. There isn't right now because the tree doesn't have leaves yet. But I really need to think hard about this. But anyway, it's gonna look very nice. They are there, so let's get to work. So this is how I decided for them to be set up. And I put them like this, not further back there, because I've been thinking that there's quite a lot of space here. So maybe I can get one more of these and put it here, or some smaller pots or something, or make it an area for more herbs, or I don't know, we'll see. But right now they are like this, and I think I like it. So I'm gonna go and see if I have some more soil, and I'm gonna fill at least one up. Yay! this is how much earth I have for now. So I didn't fill it up all the way, and I still have to fill this one up. But for now, we're gonna move to this, which is this thing, but in a proper color this time. So let's go! And here it is. So, as you can see behind me, I tried to mix it up a little bit because I didn't want to get rid of the yellow because it was already there. So I mixed it up with the brown, and to me at least, it looks like a pile of autumn leaves, which is super cute, but it's still not enough. So I'm gonna get some more, and hopefully another layer will make it look even more natural. So I think that's it for today, at least, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Look at this cutie, it's the prettiest.